Have you seen your website traffic drop after the latest Google code algorithm update? This code update has impacted all the businesses. So how to survive this latest Google code update? Here is what I would do if my website got the hit. Other than learning what the update is all about, I would identify all the pages that got the hit and then categorize them into groups. By grouping the affected pages, you can formulate the right strategies to improve the content. But if your entire site is affected, you need to implement E.E.A.T, that stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. You should also focus on building a topical authority on your core topic by building topic clusters and then going deep into them. Prioritize adding the internal and external links into the content that will help the reader's underlying concerns. Use AI, but use it responsibly. Weave yourself into the content and inject your own value and personal experiences. Keep reassessing, but update your outdated content every 12 months to stay relevant. Optimize your website for user experience and create content accordingly. Last but not least, SEO should not be your only traffic source. So diversify your traffic sources and create content on many different platforms to gain exposure and build your domain authority. So what is your strategy for recovery?